Hello, Isaac in Sweden. I hope that you are all doing well. This is my introduction video for my application of the local growth managers for Isaac in Sweden for the term 2019. My name is Mustafa Shaban. I'm 24 years old and I'm studying mechanical engineering. So this video is mainly two parts. The first part is about my personal Isaac experience, and the second part is about the key strategies for Isaac in Sweden. So let's start this video with the first part. I started ISEC in 2013. I joined as OGCDB member for ISEC in Tanta in Egypt. And then in 2014, I was a team leader for OGCDB as well. In 2015, I was a local committee vice president for marketing the public relation. And in 2016 and 2017, I was the local committee president of ISEC in Tanta in Egypt. Last but not least of my ISEC experiences was me being the member committee vice president for the outgoing exchange and customer experience for youth for ISEC in Ireland, but like I resigned because of visa issues. And one also of the most important experiences for me, which led me also to apply for this opportunity as well, being the local committee OGX manager for LC Uppsala for ISEC in Sweden in June 2018. Yeah, so let's move to the next part of the video, which is mainly about the key plans for the next term, or like for the local growth managers in 2019 for ISEC for the development of the local committees that I choose in my application. So if we look deeper into the situation, or like the state of each LC, that we will find that like we have four common issues, which are like the first one is like timeline, the second one is capacity, and the third one is network management, and the fourth one is university relation. So the first one, we can solve it, the timeline, by like shifting our timeline as MC, or like as planning for the local level. For example, we can shift the planning time a bit early in order to be ready for the Q1 and Q2 of 2019, in order to give the LCs also a buffering time to innovate in their action steps, or like in their local events, or like in their local activities. Okay, the second issue, which is like capacity, by of course like by focusing capacity building, by focusing our strengths in the next recruitment in January, and focusing our marketing on this recruitment campaign, in order to have like a lot of applicants for the recruitment campaign, in order like to filter, and also like to have options and variation and options, and to add new members. Network management, after that, of course, we need to start the network management by a very intensive education cycle, and setting expectations, and also starting directly implementing the team standards, in order for those members, or like membership, to understand what is the meaning of ISIC and what they are doing here, so that like they can have the chance, and they can have the opinion, or like the decision to continue and to work by something is driving them from inside. The fourth thing, which is like very, very, very important for OGX, specifically OGV, which is like university relations, which I can find it's like a bit different from like a local committee to another local committee. But if we can prepare one proposal for the universities, and then sign a contract with them, like sign a contract for partnership, like to establish OGV as like a social service course with credit hours, and like all the options that like we can provide from the GV product. This is my introduction video for the key strategies, and like my introduction video for myself. I hope you like it, and see you soon.